Polly, did you change the Wi-Fi again?
Security was weak. Like your password.
Oh, come on.
Try Polly as boss 123.
Oh, Polly, that's my coffee.
Now it's evidence.
Ha! Oh, you little thief.
Evidence of great taste.
Polly, do you understand the charges?
I don't even understand your haircut.
All right, noted. Let's try to keep this professional.
Polly, get off the car.
I'm supervising speed limits.
You're not in charge.
I have wings. That outranks wheels.
Did you eat those donuts?
I prefer to call it snack relocation.
To where?
To my stomach. Safely delivered.
That's a good one.
That's my coffee.
I hereby declare it mine.
All right, Your Honor. Guess I just lost my case.
Polly, ready to do paperwork?
No, but I'm ready to flirt work.
Oh, come on.
First question, are you single?
You're ridiculous.
Polly, that's evidence.
Now it's expired evidence.
Oh, no. Oh, come on. You can't just...
Want me to shred more? I charge crackers.
You're killing me. Did you complete obstacle training?
I flew over it.
Ha! That's cheating.
That's evolution.
Polly, ready to detect lies?
Just looking at him, machine already beeped.
Wait, what?
Sir, your heartbeat just confessed.
Oh, that's good.
Aw, come on.
Holly, did you take my cookies?
I opened an investigation. Results were
Delicious.
Oh, you little thief.
case closed.
Polly, why are you screaming like a siren?
Because you forgot to turn it on.
Oh, come on. That's too good.
Professional service.
Polly, this is 20 kilos.
Wow, you lifted your lunch.
Ha! All right, you win.